Alright, now for the installation of the new one. Fucking camera better stay in there. Alright, so, new bushing. And you're going to press it in the same way it came out. For some reason I think you could do it both ways, but there's a rust ridge over here, but over here the rust ridge broke off when the old one came out, so just put it in the same way.
Are you taking a video?
No, I'm talking to myself. Yeah, I'm taking a video. You're going to make sure these go in straight, because if they go in cockeyed, it bends the sleeve, and then it's a lot more difficult to get in, and I learned that from experience. So right here I pretty much just use the open end with nothing on it. On this side, like I said, 3 hands in the last video. Very nice. And then just a big socket that presses on the sleeve. Try not to go crooked, it's very hard to do. Once you put a little pressure on it, you can come over here and twist and yank this, and it'll pop the bushing straight. You just got to really keep an eye on the sleeve on the bushing. Alright, that looks pretty straight. So same thing here. Just drive it a little, watch that bushing. Oh, I got lucky. Mine was aligned very well, and it's already going in. Actually, you know what? I can do this with one hand.